Friday, April 15th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Friday morning to get us all started for the weekend. And what a difference this morning compared to yesterday morning. It's about 30 degrees different.
Yes, for sure. We are seeing temperatures around and just above freezing this morning, so a lot chillier. We will reach like upper 50s, low 60s today, so a nice spring day in store, but it is going to cool down for the weekend.
Oh, it seemed like summer yesterday, winter this morning.
Yeah, yes, it definitely does feel like that. So let's take a look right now at the temperatures. We got 35 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are looking to rise to near 60 today for the high temperature, and we do look dry throughout the day. This is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We will be seeing sunshine mostly this morning and early afternoon. Then we will start to see an increase in cloud cover and a few showers coming in this evening. So it is going to be windy today as well. We are looking at wind speeds around 15 miles per hour with some sunshine. Widespread rain begins tonight, especially in the overnight hours. And for tomorrow, there is a chance for some mixed precipitation and then some morning snow showers on Easter Sunday. So if you do have any plans for Easter Sunday, it does look like we are going to be seeing a few morning snow showers. High temperatures will reach the mid 40s and it will be kind of windy, but we do look to clear out by the evening. So for today, we are going to be seeing a few showers coming in later on, but mostly sunny skies, highs near 60, and I will be tracking out your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. 7
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are a little bit chilly this morning in the 30s. We will reach near 60 today and see some sunshine. So let's take a look now at the CAVV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are waking up to partly cloudy to mostly clear skies, and once again, our temperatures are just around freezing, so very different than that warm weather yesterday. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking mostly dry conditions across our viewing area. We do look to see sunshine here this morning and afternoon, but we will see an increase in clouds as we head into the afternoon and evening, and then widespread rain starts tonight. We are also going to be seeing windy conditions throughout the day coming in from the west due to our next cold front that is approaching us. We are going to be seeing wind speeds up to 15 to 20 miles per hour, so it is going to be quite windy outside, but it is going to be sunny. Highs reaching near 60. So once again, just around freezing this morning. We have 33 degrees in Dowdesville, 34 degrees in Little Falls, and 38 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 34 degrees in Hamilton and 32 degrees in Norwich. So we are going to be a little chilly over this weekend. On Saturday, our high temperatures are only in the low to mid 40s. Same thing for Sunday. But on Saturday, we do have that chance of seeing some snow and mixed precipitation in the forecast. As for Sunday, there is the chance, especially up north, to see some morning snow showers, and then we will dry out by the evening. But Sunday is Easter Sunday. It does look like we are going to be seeing some snow showers, especially in the morning hours, and then looking to dry out in the evening. So for Saturday, here's the precipitation forecast. It starts out as widespread rain tonight, but then we will see an Arctic front moving through, so that means it is coming from the north. It will slowly start to change our temperature, so we will see most likely snow up in the North Country and a rain-snow mix here in the Mohawk Valley, and then down south, rain is likely over that snow, but we could still be seeing a mix down in the southern valleys for Saturday. So let's take a look at that on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing windy conditions today, an increase in clouds heading into the afternoon here. Highs are in the low 60s, and we are going to be seeing a few rain showers this evening. Widespread rain comes in overnight. Temperatures will drop into the 40s for the low, but then here's Saturday, that Arctic front moving through, kind of changing over that rain to some snow and some mixed precipitation throughout the day. It does look like to stay mostly as rain for the southern valleys, and our temperature will drop throughout the day as well. We will clear out a little bit heading into Easter Sunday, but then some snow showers definitely possible up north, especially for the morning hours of Easter, and then we do look to clear out by late afternoon and evening. High temperatures only in the 40s for both Saturday and Sunday. So for today, sunshine is likely this morning. We will see an increase in clouds and windy conditions, highs near 60. And tonight, that widespread rain begins. Low temperatures only in the low 40s. So it is possible to see that mixed precipitation precipitation and that snow tomorrow. Little accumulation expected. Highs in the 40s. Same thing for Sunday, highs in the 40s, but some morning snow showers could come in, especially for up north. We are drying out and warming up a little bit for Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. As part of April,
Brook and all of the greater Utica region. We are seeing temperatures in the 30s this morning. We do look to rise into the 50s by noon, and then we will reach 60 by the later afternoon hours of today. So just around average for this time of year. If you did want to spend outside, today will be a good day. It is going to be windy, though, so just keep that in mind. Tomorrow, definitely not. We are going to be seeing some mixed precipitation and some snow showers up north. And on Easter Sunday, maybe later on in the afternoon, snow showers are expected in the morning hours for especially up north, but then it does look to shift down into the Mohawk Valley. So for Easter Sunday, if you did have anything planned outside, it looks like we could be seeing a few snow showers in the morning. Dry air comes in later on in the day, and we will be seeing some sunshine later on. But high temperatures are only going to be in the mid-40s with windy conditions. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Yankees are in. Once again, it is Friday, April 15th. I'm Gary Libitor, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Friday morning to get us all ready for the big weekend ahead. And after the past few days, things had to go down just a little bit, right?
Yes, so we are not going to be seeing the warm weather like we did see yesterday. Today we will reach near 60, and then the weekend will be only in the 40s for the high, so back to reality.
Yeah, that's for sure here in April.
Yeah, so sad. So let's take a look at the temperature this morning. We are just around freezing, 35 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, but we are going to be seeing sunshine today, and we will warm up. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are looking to warm up to near 60 for the high temperature, but it is going to be a little bit windy, so it may feel a bit colder than the actual temperature. We are going to be seeing sunshine and then an increase in clouds as we head into this evening, and then widespread rain begins for all of us tonight. It is going to cool down for tomorrow and Sunday, so we could be seeing some snow tomorrow and some snow on Sunday as well. So if you do have any plans for Easter Sunday, it does look like we are going to be seeing some morning snow showers. Temperatures in the mid-40s for the high. So as we warm up, we will be seeing dry air come in, so we will clear out by the afternoon and evening, but it is looking like we are going to be seeing some snow showers in the morning, especially for up north. But for today, we will see an increase in cloud cover, highs near 60 with windy conditions, and I'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New this morning.
Dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up pretty chilly this morning. A lot of our temperatures are around freezing, and we are looking to rise to near 60 today with some sunshine. So let's take a look at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing partly cloudy to mostly clear skies this morning, and once again, it is going to be pretty mild. We will reach near 60, and we will be dry. Now let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, tracking mostly dry conditions across our viewing area here this morning. And we will look to see some sunshine today, but it is going to be a bit windy coming out of the west. We are going to be seeing wind speeds at around 15 to 20 miles per hour. So it is going to feel a lot cooler than the actual temperature, which we will reach near 60 degrees today for the high. Right now, we are just around freezing. We have 32 degrees in Dowdesville, 33 degrees in Little Falls, and 39 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, 34 in Hamilton and 32 degrees in Sherburne and in Norwich here this morning. So we are going to see an increase in clouds heading into this evening. Rain does begin overnight tonight, and then we are going to be seeing some mixed precipitation tomorrow as an Arctic front moves through, dropping our temperature. So for tomorrow and Sunday, very chilly weekend ahead. Our high temperatures are going to be in just the mid-40s, so there is the possibility for seeing snow tomorrow, and even on Sunday, it does look like we could be seeing some morning snow showers on Easter Sunday, then kind of clearing out by the evening. So the chance of snow tomorrow is very high for the North Country. Could be even seeing an inch, maybe even 2 inches of accumulation of snow tomorrow as that Arctic front moves through, changing that rain over to snow. Mohawk Valley most likely seeing a rain and snow mix, and down in the southern valleys, it is most likely going to stay warm enough to see just rain. So let's take a look at that on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing windy conditions today, an increase in clouds heading into this evening. Highs are going to reach near 60, and it is possible to see a few isolated showers this afternoon and evening. Widespread rain begins tonight, and then an Arctic front moves through, dropping that temperature, as we can see here, changing over that rain to some snow and mixed precipitation. So that is what is going to happen on Saturday. Do not be surprised if you do see some snow showers for tomorrow. Same thing goes for Easter Sunday. We will dry out, but probably going to be seeing some morning snow showers, especially up north on Sunday. Then dry air comes in and takes over, and we will clear out by late afternoon, early evening. But it is going to be windy throughout the weekend as well. So for today, we are going to be seeing sunshine this morning, then an increase in clouds, highs near 60 with windy conditions. Widespread rain begins overnight with a low in the low 40s. So mixed precipitation can be expected tomorrow. Do not be surprised if you see snow showers throughout the day. Highs just in the low 40s. For Sunday, Easter Sunday, we are going to be seeing some morning snow showers. Then we will clear out by the afternoon and evening. Highs in the low 40s. And we are warming up a little bit for dry conditions on Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. There's a travel.
Welcome back. It is going to get pretty windy as we head into the afternoon. This is 11:30. We are looking at wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour up north here this afternoon. And then 3:30 p.m. still in the range of 35 to 40 miles per hour wind gusts. And then by 8 p.m. we will start to calm down in the Mohawk Valley and south, but it may still be windy up in the north. Now for today, we are likely going to be seeing sunshine here this morning. We will see an increase in clouds throughout the day in preparation for some rain and snow tomorrow. So tomorrow it is going to be most likely overcast. On Easter Sunday, is a possibility to see some snow showers in the morning, but a few breaks in those clouds are expected later on in the day. And on Monday, we dry out to more clouds than sun, but there is a possibility of still seeing some sunshine. So once again, this weekend, a rain and snow mix is expected tomorrow. Highs only in the mid 40s for Sunday. Once again, highs only in the low to mid 40s, and AM snow showers can be expected, clearing out by the afternoon and evening. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The moon won't. It's Friday, April 15th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Friday morning as we all get ready to enjoy the weekend. And not so enjoyable the weather this morning compared to yesterday.
Yes, so we are not going to be seeing weather like yesterday for this weekend. Highs today will reach near 60, so today looks to be like kind of the best day of the weekend. But tomorrow and Sunday, it's going to get very cold, and we are going to be seeing some snow.
Snow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm upset. So let's take a look at the temperature this morning. We have 34 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We will warm up to near 60 today, and it is looking to remain dry. This is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are going to be seeing sunshine this morning with an increase in clouds throughout the day. It is also going to get windy throughout the day, and widespread rain begins tonight for most of us. And then tomorrow, an Arctic front will move through, dropping the temperature and turning that rain over to snow. So do not be surprised if you see snow tomorrow. Now for Easter Sunday, we also have the possibility of seeing some morning snow showers on Sunday, especially for up north, but a lot of us are looking to see it. Highs will only be in the mid 40s with windy conditions for Easter Sunday. So for today, we will see an increase in clouds throughout the day. Highs are going to be near 60 with windy conditions, and I'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up chilly this morning, just around freezing, but we are looking to rise to near 60 today. So let's take a look at the CAVV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly sunny, mostly clear skies this morning as well, but we will see an increase in cloud cover throughout the day. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions in our viewing area here today, but once again, an increase in clouds is expected, and a few rain showers are looking to come in by this evening. We are also going to be seeing windy conditions as our next system approaches us. We will be seeing wind speeds today between 15 and 20 miles per hour, so it is going to feel a little bit cooler than the actual temperature. We did receive some Skywatcher reports this morning. Once again, we are just around freezing and kind of in the 30s to low 40s. We have 36 degrees in Old Forge and New Hartford and 41 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 35 degrees in Cooperstown and 33 degrees in Milford here this morning. So it is going to warm up today to near 60, but it is going to cool down once again for the weekend. Looks like a very chilly weekend ahead. For tomorrow, we will be seeing widespread rain starting overnight tonight, and then the Arctic front will move through tomorrow morning, changing over that rain to some snow and mixed precipitation showers for most of us. Highs are just going to be in the low 40s tomorrow morning, and then we will drop into the 30s throughout the day. So tomorrow definitely looks like an unsettled, wet day weather-wise. And then for Easter Sunday, it is looking like most of us are going to be seeing morning snow showers, and then we will clear out for dry weather coming in for the evening. So for the precipitation tomorrow, it is definitely likely the North Country is going to be seeing some snow, maybe even an inch or two of accumulation. In the Mohawk Valley, it does look like we could be seeing more of a mix, but snow showers are definitely still expected. And there is a chance for some snow showers down in the southern valleys, but it is most likely going to be rain. So let's take a look at that on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing windy conditions today. Highs will reach near 60. The possibility for an isolated shower or two comes in this evening, and an increase in cloud cover. So overnight tonight, we will start by seeing rain up north, and then that Arctic front starts to move through, dropping our temperature, changing over that rain to that snow and mixed precipitation for some of us. So that is what is going to happen tomorrow. It is going to be a lot cooler, windy, and unsettled weather comes in. For Easter Sunday, we will clear out from all of that, but there still is the chance to see some light snow showers up north in the morning, and then that will shift down to the Mohawk Valley later on in the morning before clearing out in the late afternoon and evening hours. Still windy on Easter Sunday as well. But for today, we will be seeing sunshine this morning, an increase in cloud cover, highs near 60 with windy conditions, and tonight rain showers do start to come in with a low in the 40s. So we are going to be seeing some rain and some snow mix tomorrow with our highs just in the low 40s. Highs remain in the low 40s for Easter Sunday with some morning snow showers. We are drying out and warming up just a little bit for Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. As part of April.
We're saying good morning to Cold Brook and all of the greater Utica region. We are going to be in the 40s here this morning, and we are looking to rise today to near 60. So we are just around average for this time of year, not as warm as the past 2 days. So if you did want to spend some time outside this weekend, today would be the best day. It is going to be windy, and we will see an increase in clouds in the afternoon, but it is looking to remain mostly dry. Tomorrow, definitely a no. We are going to be seeing some mixed precipitation and some snow showers for a lot of us. And Easter Sundays, and maybe it does look like we are going to be seeing some snow showers in the morning, but then dry air looks to come in by late afternoon into the evening. So on Easter Sunday, if you did have any plans outside, the morning looks like we are going to be seeing some snow showers as our temperatures are still kind of in the 30s with windy conditions. By the afternoon, we will reach the mid 40s for the high temperature, and dry air will come in. So afternoon and evening, it does look dry. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Yankees are in. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our day ahead here on this Friday as we all get ready for the big weekend ahead. And as we've been talking all morning long, what a difference between yesterday morning and this morning.
Yes, so yesterday feeling a lot more like summer. This morning we are just around freezing.
Yeah.
We will reach near 60 today, so around average for this time of year, but then this weekend's going to get very cold, highs only in the 40s.
It is April, though.
Yes, but I don't like it. I don't like getting warm and then cold again.
Yeah, well,
it's miserable.
It is what it is.
Yes. So let's take a look now at the temperatures. We're at 34 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We will rise to near 60 for the high temperature today. And we do look to remain mostly dry. This is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar tracking dry conditions across our area. A passing shower or two is possible this afternoon. But we are going to be mostly sunny this morning, see an increase in clouds, and get kind of windy as we head into the afternoon. Rain begins overnight for most of us, and for this weekend we are expecting rain and snow on Saturday and some snow showers on Easter Sunday. So if you do have anything planned on Easter Sunday, it does look like in the morning hours there is a possibility for a few light snow showers. Temperatures will rise to the mid-40s throughout the day, and dry air comes in the afternoon, so the snow showers do look to stay mainly in the morning. But as for today, we will see an increase in cloud cover, highs reaching near 60 with windy conditions. And I'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We are following breaking news.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up pretty chilly this morning. Our temperatures are just around freezing. We are looking to reach near 60 degrees today. So let's take a look now at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly sunny, mostly clear skies this morning as that sun rises, and it is pretty cold outside. Our temperatures are in the 30s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions across our viewing area, and it does look to remain dry for the day today. We are going to be seeing sunshine this morning and an increase in cloud cover coming in from the west. We are also going to start seeing windy conditions as our next system approaches us. Our wind speeds today are going to be around 15 to 20 miles per hour. So right now we are in the 30s to 40s. We have 36 degrees in Old Forge and New Hartford. 41 degrees in Clinton here this morning. And if we do look to the south, 35 degrees in Cooperstown and 31 degrees in Evanston and in Morris. So it is not going to be quite as warm as it was yesterday, but we will reach the upper 50s near 60, so just around average for this time of year. It is going to get a lot colder for the weekend, though. We are going to be seeing some rain showers coming in tonight for Saturday. Then an Arctic front moves throughout the day on Saturday, bringing in the chance of snow and mixed precipitation. Highs are only going to be in the 40s in the morning, and then once that front moves through, we will drop into the 30s for the rest of the day. On Easter Sunday, too, we are also expecting some morning snow showers, especially for up north, but it does look to clear out by the afternoon and evening as dry air comes in. So for the precipitation tomorrow, it is looking like the North Country is going to be seeing most likely snow. About 1 to even 2 inches of snow accumulation can be expected up north. As that cold front continues to shift, the Mohawk Valley is going to see a rain and snow mix, definitely seeing some snow in there, and the Southern Valley is likely seeing rain, but could possibly be seeing some mixed precipitation and snow as well. So overall, do not be surprised if we see snow this weekend. So let's take a look at this on our Skycast. We will see windy conditions today. Highs will reach near 60, and there's a possibility of a passing shower or two here this afternoon and evening. We will also see an increase in cloud cover. Rain does begin overnight, and then we will have that Arctic front start to move through. That will change the rain over to snow as our temperature drops from the 40s to the 30s. So most likely seeing mixed precipitation tomorrow, some rain and some snow showers for up north especially. Heading into Sunday, all of that mess clears out, but there still is the possibility to see some morning snow showers, especially up north, that will shift south before dry air comes in and that comes to an end. It is also going to remain windy throughout the weekend. For today, we are expecting sunshine this morning. We will see an increase in cloud cover, highs near 60 with windy conditions, and tonight we will start to see some rain showers move in, a low in the 40s. So do not be surprised to see snow showers tomorrow. Mixed precipitation and some snow is expected, highs just in the low 40s. Snow showers in the morning on Easter Sunday before dry air comes in for the afternoon and evening. It is still going to be pretty chilly. We are warming up just a little bit on Monday and drying out. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It is time for...
Welcome back. It is going to get windy this afternoon. This is at 11:30 this morning. We are looking at wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour up north and in the 30s in the Mohawk Valley. 3:30 p.m. still ranging between 35 to 40 miles per hour wind gusts. And we do start to calm down in the Mohawk Valley and down south this evening, but up north could still be seeing up to 35 miles per hour wind gusts this evening. Now today we are likely to see sunshine this morning. We will see an increase in clouds throughout the day, and we are going to be seeing a rain-snow mix tomorrow, so it is most likely going to be overcast. On Easter Sunday, snow comes in just for the morning and then does start to clear out, so a few breaks in those clouds can be expected, and we are drying out for numerous breaks on Monday. So a rain-snow mix is expected tomorrow as an Arctic front moves through and drops our temperature. Highs are going to happen in the morning, and they will only be in the mid-40s. For Sunday, we will remain in the low 40s for the high temperature, and some morning snow showers can be expected. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. There's a travel advice.
News comes first. This is News Channel 2 at 7 a.m. on CW11.
Good morning. It is 7 a.m. It's Friday, April 15th. I'm Gary Liberatore, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Friday as we all get ready for our big weekend ahead. And wouldn't it be nice if we had the weather the past few days this weekend, but not to be, not to be.
Yes, not going to happen. We are going to get very cold this weekend. Highs only in the 40s. So, yes, not going to be like yesterday.
A little bit of snow, too, maybe.
Yes, possibly seeing some snow showers. So let's take a look. If you are heading out the door this morning, temperatures are in the 40s, mostly sunny skies. And in the afternoon, we will see highs near 60 with increasing clouds and windy conditions. So for today, expect an increase in cloud cover, highs near 60 with windy conditions. And as we head into tonight, we will start to see some rain showers with a low in the 40s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. So we are on news.
Welcome back. Here's a live look at the CAVI tower camera. We are seeing mostly clear, mostly sunny skies this morning, but we will see an increase in cloud cover and the wind will pick up a little bit as our temperatures rise to near 60. It is going to get cooler for the weekend. We are only looking at high temperatures on both days in the lower to mid 40s. A rain-snow mix is expected tomorrow as our temperature drops due to an Arctic front. And on Easter Sunday, expect a few snow showers in the morning before clearing out in the evening. So for today, we do have a high near 60, partly cloudy skies, and then we will see an increase in clouds, possibly a few rain showers coming in this evening. Very windy conditions. And tonight, a low in the 40s. Rain begins overnight. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Officials with the correct.
Welcome back. We are tracking dry conditions for most of today, but we will see an increase in cloud cover and some rain showers come in this evening. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Dry conditions right now across our viewing area, and we will be seeing sunshine this morning, but becoming partly cloudy this afternoon and mostly cloudy this evening. So it is also going to get pretty windy today, but we will be seeing sunshine. Highs are going to reach near 60 for the high. Rain begins tonight, and we will be seeing rain showers for most of the day tomorrow, as well as some snow mixed in there. Once again, rain and snow this weekend, and some snow showers even on Easter Sunday. So if you do have anything planned for Sunday, we are going to be seeing some morning snow showers. Little accumulation is expected. Highs are going to be in the mid-40s, so once we get warmer, the snow will clear out and the dry air will come in. It also will be pretty windy. So for today, an increase in cloud cover, highs near 60 with windy conditions, and I'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks today.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking a rise in temperature today. We will reach near 60, but we will also see an increase in cloud cover. So let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Mostly sunny, mostly clear skies this morning, but once again an increase in cloud cover. Temperatures this morning are just around freezing. Now, taking a look at the radar and satellite, we can see that we are going to remain dry for most of the day today. We are dry here this morning, along with breezy conditions. We will be seeing windy conditions throughout the day, wind speeds at around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Temperatures right now are around freezing, 36 degrees in Old Forge and New Hartford, 41 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 35 degrees in Cooperstown and 31 degrees in Emerson and in Morris. So not getting quite as warm as yesterday, but we will be near 60, just around average. It is going to get cooler for the weekend, though. We are going to be seeing mixed precipitation tomorrow as our highs are just in the low 40s. Then the Arctic front will move through. We are going to be seeing snow for tomorrow. Temperatures will drop into the 30s, so do not be surprised if we do see some snow showers for tomorrow. Same thing goes for Easter Sunday. It does look like we could be seeing some light snow showers in the morning hours before dry air comes for the afternoon and evening. So for tomorrow, it is definitely likely we are going to be seeing snow up in the North Country. Even an inch or two of accumulation can be expected. For the Mohawk Valley, seeing some snow, possibly some mixed precipitation as well. And for the southern valleys, most likely seeing rain, but mixed precipitation could also be mixed in there as well. So for today, we will be dry for most of the day with windy conditions and partly cloudy skies. An increase in clouds this evening, a few passing showers here and there. And then tonight we will start to see some rain begin to move through. Now tomorrow morning, that Arctic front will start to move through, dropping our high temperature from the 40s down into the 30s for the rest of the day. Up north, definitely seeing some snow, even some snow in the Mohawk Valley, and then some mixed precipitation later on. So it is definitely possible we are going to be seeing snow tomorrow, so do not be surprised. For Easter Sunday, all of that mess clears out, but still possibly seeing some snow showers in the morning, especially up north. It will shift down throughout the morning and then clear out by the evening hours as dry air comes in. But for both Saturday and Sunday, it is going to be windy and cold. For today, though, we are going to be seeing sunny skies this morning, an increase in clouds, highs near 60 with windy conditions. And tonight, the rain begins with a low in the 40s. So mixed precipitation can be expected tomorrow with some snow up north. Highs just in the low 40s. We remain in the low 40s for Easter Sunday with some morning snow showers drying out for the evening. And we dry out and warm up a little bit for Monday. Sunny skies this morning, but we will see an increase in clouds today as our temperatures reach near 60. We are also going to be seeing windy conditions throughout the day with wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. Rain begins overnight with a low in the 40s. Mixed precipitation can be expected tomorrow, highs just in the low 40s. We will remain in the low 40s for Easter Sunday with some morning snow showers. We are drying out on Monday.
Joining us here on this Good Friday, many government agencies and some businesses are closed to observe the day, and those that have it off have a nice one. Sunshine and warm temperatures, but at some point during this holiday weekend, some of us could actually see some snow. Meteorologist Hannah Evans in, and Hannah, what a roller coaster of a ride this is, isn't it?
Yes, so we did see very, very warm weather yesterday, highs almost near 80, and today we are seeing temperatures in the 50s right now. We are dry as of now, but a passing shower is definitely possible as we head into the afternoon and evening hours, and rain begins overnight for most of us. So right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, we are measuring 58 degrees, so pretty mild outside. The winds are coming in at around 8 miles per hour, so it is a bit breezy, and we are seeing those clouds starting to build in. So we are going to be seeing windy conditions today, and it is sunny, but we will see an increase in clouds. Rain does begin overnight for most of us, and then tomorrow and Sunday, possibly seeing some rain and snow tomorrow and some snow showers on Easter Sunday. But for today, mostly cloudy skies. An isolated thunderstorm or shower is possible. Highs in the low 60s, and I will have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Chris.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. Most of us are seeing mostly sunny skies right now as our temperatures are reaching near 60. So let's take a look at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are starting to see some clouds build in, and once again, an isolated shower or even an isolated thunderstorm is possible as we head into the afternoon and evening hours here. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are mostly dry, but once again, seeing a few isolated showers coming in from the west, and rain begins for all of us tonight. So we are seeing windy conditions as well out of the west, an increase in cloud cover, and a few isolated showers on our radar. We are very warm right now, pretty mild, kind of around average. We have 50 degrees in Old Forge, 57 degrees in Cooperstown, and 62 degrees in Clinton here this afternoon. Our high temperature will just reach the low 60s today, and then we are going to be cooling down for the weekend. We are pretty breezy right now. We are measuring 8 miles per hour wind speeds at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. Winds can reach up to 20 miles per hour today, so it is going to be quite windy outside, so keep that in mind if you are heading out. So we are going to be seeing some rain showers coming in tonight, and then for tomorrow, an Arctic front is actually going to move through. So as we are seeing that rain, that Arctic front will move through, dropping the temperature, allowing us to get some snow showers for up north and even some mixed precipitation for the Mohawk Valley and south for Saturday. Highs are only going to be in the 40s, and that is going to be in the morning before that front pushes through. On Easter Sunday, we will remain chilly. We will only be seeing high temperatures in the low 40s, and the possibility of a few morning snow showers is there for Easter Sunday. We do look to dry out in the evening. So the chance of snow on Saturday looks most likely for up in the North Country. Definitely seeing a rain-snow mix in the Mohawk Valley, and a rain-snow mix is possible down south, but most likely going to continue throughout the day as rain. So let's look at that on the Skycast. We will see an increase in clouds this afternoon. A few isolated showers are possible. High temperatures in the low 60s. Rain begins tonight for especially up north, and then the Arctic front will start to move move through in the early morning hours of tomorrow, dropping our temperatures and allowing for snow and mixed precipitation to move through for the day on Saturday. All that mess will clear out Saturday evening, but then we still have the chance to see a few light snow showers, especially up north in the morning hours of Easter Sunday. That will shift south, and then dry air will come in and we will dry out for the afternoon and evening on Easter Sunday. Before today, we do have a high in the low 60s, partly cloudy skies right now with windy conditions coming out of the west. And tonight, rain begins for most of us with a low in the 40s. So that Arctic front is expected to move through tomorrow morning, bringing in some mixed precipitation. Highs are only going to be in the low 40s in the morning. Highs could stay in the low 40s for Easter Sunday with the chance of a few morning snow showers before clearing out for the evening. We are dry and getting a little bit warmer for Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The mid-half hour, once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking mostly dry conditions across our viewing area, but there is a possibility to see an isolated shower here this afternoon. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, just tracking a few isolated showers, definitely possible as we see an increase in cloud cover. And our temperatures are rising. We are at 58 degrees right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, and it is a little windy outside. So it is going to be windy and mostly sunny for today. Once again, an isolated shower is possible this afternoon. Rain begins for most of us tonight, and this weekend is going to be chilly. We are expecting rain and snow showers for tomorrow and some morning snow showers on Easter Sunday. So a chilly weekend ahead with some snow. But for today, mostly cloudy skies. An isolated shower is possible. Rain begins this evening and it is going to be windy. And I will be tracking out your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Today marks
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing partly cloudy skies outside, and our temperatures are rising to near 60. Let's take a look at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Some clouds in the sky, but otherwise mostly sunny skies. We are going to be seeing an increase in cloud cover here this afternoon and evening, and some rain showers tonight. But on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, there is a possibility to see an isolated shower here this afternoon. As we can see, it is coming in from the west, but otherwise we are still seeing sunshine outside, and it is remaining mostly dry. We are also seeing windy conditions coming out of the west, as well as an increase in cloud cover, and rain begins for most of us as we head into later on this evening. Temperatures are in the 50s and 60s. We have 50 degrees in Old Forge, 57 degrees in Cooperstown, and 62 degrees in Clinton this afternoon. So it is pretty mild today, but as we head into the weekend, it is going to get chilly. Now, once again, it is windy today. We're looking at just 8 miles per hour measured at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome right now, but wind gusts could be reaching up to 35 miles per hour this afternoon. It generally is going to be windy for Saturday and Sunday as well. So an Arctic front is going to move through tomorrow morning, and we are going to be seeing rain at that time. So when that front moves through, we will be seeing this rain change over to mixed precipitation and snow for a lot of us. Our high temperatures happen in the morning in the 40s, and then we will drop into the 30s as that front moves through. Now, as for Easter Sunday, once again, the possibility of a few snow showers, especially up north and in the Mohawk Valley, just in the morning hours, and then we do look to clear out in the afternoon and evening. So for tomorrow, most likely seeing snow is up north, and then the rain-snow mix definitely possible for the Mohawk Valley. Down south, most likely going to be seeing rain, but also a mix could be mixed in there as well. So let's take a look at the skycast. We are going to see an increase in clouds later on this afternoon. Highs are in the low 60s with windy conditions. We will start to see some scattered rain showers overnight tonight, and then that Arctic front will start to move through early tomorrow morning, changing over that rain to some snow and to some mixed precipitation. We are going to be getting a couple of breaks throughout the day, but it does look like it is going to last for most of the day. This whole mess clears out at night, but then we are going to be seeing just some lingering snow showers, especially up north on Easter Sunday morning. This will shift south throughout the day, and then dry air comes in for the late afternoon and evening hours. So generally a chilly weekend and unsettled. Before today, a high in the low 60s, breezy conditions with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, rain begins with a low in the 40s. So expect some mixed precipitation tomorrow as that Arctic front moves through. A high in the low 40s. Lingering snow showers on Sunday, especially up north and in the morning. We do look to clear out in the afternoon and evening. We are drying out and warming up a little bit for Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Florida Governor.
For a first look at the forecast tonight, meteorologist Eric Gage in for Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. And while your radar looks very green, this is a little bit deceiving for those that are getting ready to head out, maybe do some traveling tonight.
Yes, that's right. We are seeing some rainfall on the radar right now. However, there is a dry layer underneath that is not causing a lot of this rain to not hit the ground right now. We'll be arriving in a couple of hours, though. As you look at our satellite right now, mostly cloudy skies. It was sunny and warmer earlier on today. Temperatures are starting to drop into the 50s. Once again, you can see that 40% humidity right now. It's still dry. We're now 56 degrees, cloudy across the area. Rain's going to be moving in this evening. Expect heavier rain north tonight as a cold front moves to the area. And we're expecting rain and snow this weekend, especially coming up towards Easter, the possibility of snow. Tonight, will be a low in the 30s, looking low of 40s for the overall early on tonight. We're also expecting some rain and snow this weekend. Look at that forecast is coming up. Back to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. Staying on the story.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Rain is starting out this evening, turning into snowfall and rain by tomorrow, and then snowfall by Sunday, starting out over this evening. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Rainfall across the area right now, however, we do have once again a dry layer across the area, especially underneath this rainfall. Is causing a lot of that rain to not hit the surface, but it will be arriving in a couple of hours. Look at our Marabra camera overlooking Oneonta. Overcast skies across the area, darkening clouds. Look across our New York State Mesonet across New York State right now, mostly overcast skies across the area. Looking to take your dog out tonight, bring an umbrella just in case. We're expecting some possibility of thunderstorms, however, it will be very minor. We'll look at that in just a second. Today's featured dog is Enzo or Enzoroni. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. Temperatures start dropping into the 50s by later on this evening. Our Easter forecast looking ahead, we'll drop the temperature a little bit. It's starting out in the 40s for our high, and we're expecting those snow showers to last in the morning, turning into mostly just flurries and then drying out later on in the afternoon. And this is our forecast overall for today. We're seeing that little bit of unstable atmosphere right there in the Mohawk Valley. That's the possibility of thunderstorms. However, it is very light, and we're also not expecting a lot of that rainfall to hit the ground anyways. So maybe some brief rumbles of thunder. Other than that, an overall dry start to this evening. Our radar and satellite, the bigger picture, we have a slow-moving cold front bringing some rain, turning to a rain and snow mixture by tomorrow. And now we bring some cooler weather heading into our weekend, heading into early next week. Once again, that rainfall is moving into our area, arriving once again later on this evening. Looking in the future on our Skycast, some brief areas of rainfall, heavier rainfall in the North Country starting out later on this evening, going tonight. You start seeing that leading edge of that cold front up in the North Country. It'll be slowly moving down. We're seeing that rain turn to snow as temperatures start falling into the low 30s, especially in higher elevations by early tomorrow once again. And then that snow will turn to rain, but once again, higher elevations could possibly see some rain mixing in with snow. So expecting some snowfall, especially in higher elevations once again. Lower elevations, mainly rainfall, as temperatures will remain in the low 40s. And that rain will turn to snowfall once again, and then later on, going into Sunday morning, some snow flurries starting out the morning, turning into lighter flurries, and then dry conditions later on Sunday afternoon. Temperatures rise into the low 40s. This evening, temperatures remain in the upper 50s to low 60s. Rain will be starting, and rain will be continuing on in tonight as rain will be turning to snow. It will be a little bit breezy out there tonight once again, as tomorrow we're seeing rain and snow mixing across some elevations. Looking ahead, our 7-day forecast: snowy Easter, I should say. Temperatures are going to look a little bit more cooler ahead. We're expecting a wet stretch with some more rain and snow on Tuesday, and then rain ahead on Wednesday. So overall, temperatures will be a little bit cooler compared to last week. We had temperatures in the 60s and 70s, nearly 80 degrees yesterday. But
bring the extra jacket for those Easter Sunday services. All right.
Yep, that's right.
Thanks very much, Eric. Ukrainian Center with meteorologist Eric Gage, and we've had a warmer than normal so far, April, right?
Yes, that's right, and finishing up another warmer than average week. We had 2 weeks back to back with above average temperatures. Yesterday, 14 degrees above average. Looking at temperatures a little bit warmer once again today. So overall temperatures 7 days so far this month are above average. Today's high was 62 degrees. Well, not close to the record, which is 82, set back in 2003. So still not the warmest day. But right now it is 56. It is starting to cool. So once again, dry conditions in the lower atmosphere. So that rainfall is still not hitting the ground. You look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And this rainfall will still be continuing as it moves from the area out west, moving further down south into our area. Once again, our satellite is showing mostly cloudy skies across the area right now. We're keeping an eye on this weekend ahead. We have rain and snow on Saturday, rain and snow mixture, especially in upper and higher elevations, mainly snowfall. And on Sunday, Easter Sunday, a morning starting out with snow, and that will be turning to drier conditions later on in the evening. And look at that forecast is coming up. Back to you, Jason.
All right, thank you, sir.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. We're tracking some rainfall arriving later on this evening, heading into tonight, and that rainfall will be mixing in with some snow heading into early tomorrow morning, lasting throughout the day. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing widespread rainfall across the area right now. However, this is once again still in the upper atmosphere. There's a dry layer that is still below it, causing a lot of this moisture to be drying out. There's a little bit of a line out here out west that can be causing some more of that rainfall moving in, especially in the southern valleys. We're expecting most of the rainfall to be in the north country heading into this evening. And here's a loop of what's going on right now. The wind is moving from the west, and we'll see that rainfall mainly up in the north country start moving its way down heading into tomorrow. If you look at a Mirabeau camera overlooking Oneonta, there's a couple of views, especially for Cabby camera overlooking Utica right now. Mostly overcast skies. It was a little bit warmer and sunnier early on today. Skywatcher temperatures 50 in Old Forge, 50 in West Leiden. Moving down to the Mohawk Valley, near 60 degrees, 59 in Mohawk, 58 in Middleville, 57 in New Hartford. Southern valleys, similar. Looking at temperatures in the 50s, especially in Worcester, we have 60 in Edmiston and 57 over in Cassville. The bigger picture, once again, this cold front is moving out from the west, moving into our area, bringing that rain and snow heading into tomorrow. And that rainfall is moving through our area right now. And it is a slow-moving front, so it will be lasting throughout the weekend as temperatures will continue to fall later on after a pretty warm week the past couple of days. Our skycast so far, rainfall moving out the area, the possibility of rumbles of thunder, however, that is very low right now. I think most of that rainfall to arrive later on this evening, especially to around 11 o'clock. In the North Country, heavier rainfall. And that rainfall will be moving down further south as that rain will be turning to snow, as temperatures will be falling much closer to freezing in the North Country heading into early tomorrow morning. And starting around noon around tomorrow, higher elevations can see the possibility of mixing turning into snowfall, especially with the areas that have much heavier precipitation. Mostly cloudy skies and more rainfall across the area, especially in lower elevations. And once again, snow in the North Country. We're expecting accumulations around trace to 2 inches. That's around the rough estimate right now. We'll give you more information later on this weekend on any updates on where to expect the snowfall and how much to expect. Sunday starts out with some snow. Flurries turn to much more drier conditions later on in the day. Temperatures remain in the upper 30s to low 40s. It'll be a very cool weekend. Our wind outlook for the next couple of days, it's going to be calm on Saturday, windy on Sunday, and Monday and Tuesday expect to see some breezy conditions as we head into early next week. This evening, 55 to 60. The rain will be starting later on this evening, low of 37 going into tonight. It will be cooling down heading ahead in tomorrow, high of 43. Rain and snow mixture will not be as windy as we expected. Some wind gusts today, close to 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts in some areas. Our 7-day forecast, snow on Sunday, dry stretch once again on Monday, and then rain and snow mixture on Tuesday. Temperatures remain a little bit cooler than average, still an average week ahead. Let's look ahead. Be sure to download our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app to stay up to date with the latest information. We'll be right back.
Forecast at 6. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage in for Bill tonight. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Jason. We're looking at some rainfall tonight. That will be turning into rain and snow by tomorrow, looking at a more rainy and snowy weekend ahead. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Widespread rainfall, mainly in the upper atmosphere right now. Once again, there's still a lot of this rainfall is not hitting the ground. However, we'll be hitting the ground closer to 11 o'clock, 11:30 later on tonight. So you expect that. Also, it is mostly cloudy across here right now, overcast skies. Temperatures continuing to drop. It was a high of 62 earlier today. It's now 56 degrees. Once again, it is still dry in the lower atmosphere right now. Across central New York right now, 56 degrees in Rome, nearing 60 degrees down near Binghamton overall. Looking expecting some rain to move in this evening. Heavier rain will be more north tonight. Also expecting that rain turning to rain and snow this weekend, expecting a snowy Easter ahead. Tonight, though, a low of 37. It will be rainy. We also have the wind gusts we recorded today, and that's coming up. Back to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. Staying on the story, we have New
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Looking at some windy conditions, we expect some windy conditions later on over this past evening. We're expecting the winds to be calming down by tomorrow. So look at our max wind gusts we recorded today. Lawrence recorded 46 miles per hour, Westmoreland 45, Sherburne with 41 miles per hour, and the rest of the state saw around close to up to near 40 mile per hour wind gusts, mainly in the 30 mile per hour wind gusts. So a very windy day today. Live at New York Battery Storm Picker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, rain in the upper atmosphere, dry near the ground. Some bits of sprinkles maybe moving in through the area heading into later on this evening. Also expecting that rainfall to move in from the west, a little bit of a dry area once again, but most of that rainfall will be heading up in the north country, arriving later on this evening. Here's a look at a radar camera overlooking Oneonta. Mostly overcast skies across the state right now. Current mild temperatures as well. Temperatures 54 in Curtis Corners. We're looking at temperatures 55 in Clinton, 57 in New Hartford, and 58 in Middleville. Across southern valleys, 59 in Milford, 60 in Edmiston, 57 in Richfield, and overall pretty mild day today. Temperatures started out in the Utica in the 60s, 62 for the high. Our Easter forecast, it's a little bit cooler compared to earlier the past couple of days. 43 degrees, and it starts out snowing, and that snow will be drying out later on in the afternoon, heading into the evenings. Overall, expect a snowy start to your Easter. Radar and satellite, the bigger picture, that rainfall is moving in from the west, following that cold front, bringing that rain turning into snow, colder temperatures following, with that mixture of that line to move in by tomorrow. Moving that across the area right now, most of that precipitation moving into our area. Some just brief periods of it, mostly sprinkles, and a lot of that area, a lot of that rain is drying down in the atmosphere. Our skycast, mostly cloudy skies, some rain moving into the area later on tonight. The heavier rainfall is in the north country. That will be arriving later on this evening between 10 and 11 o'clock. And that rainfall will be turning to snow as temperatures start dropping in the north country as that cold front moves south into our area, bringing temperatures down into the lower 30s. And that snowfall will be moving slowly down into our area. That rainfall will be further south once again, those warmer temperatures. And then later on, going into Sunday, or going to Saturday, I should say, the higher elevations will be seeing that snowfall, especially in the north country and southern valleys as well. In the Mohawk Valley, seeing that rainfall as temperatures remain in the lower 40s. Mostly cloudy skies turn into rainfall by Sunday, mostly turning into snowfall throughout the morning by 10 o'clock, and then by the afternoon, flurries, and then the conditions will dry by the afternoon. In our wind outlook for the next couple of days, it will be a little bit calmer on Saturday, windy on Sunday for Easter, and then the start to next week, Monday and Tuesday, will be breezy. This evening, temperatures will start cooling down. It's already going to be in the mid to lower 50s by tonight. Temperatures start dropping way into the 30s by later on tonight and tomorrow morning. That rain will be turning to snow. By tomorrow, a high of 43 degrees. In our 7-day forecast, a little bit cooler than last week, but still average for this time in April, looking at some rain and snow throughout the rest of next week. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest information, be sure to download our free Storm Picker 2 weather app. Over to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6. The Comets, just Eric Gage. Good evening, Eric.
Cooler, and then rising into the 40s by the afternoon. Take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Picker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, some rainfall in the north country. This is the primary spot where the rainfall is occurring. Some more rainfall down south area as well, but most of that is falling just as slight rainfall right now. Satellite is showing mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 50s. Humidity is picking up as winds are still a little bit breezy tonight. Temperatures are in the 50s across the area right now. It'll be rainy tonight. We're expecting rain and snow to occur tomorrow, and we're expecting a snowy Easter morning. A very busy weekend ahead for weather. Tonight, though, a low of 37 degrees and rain. Let you know where and when to expect that snow and rain heading into this weekend. That's coming up. Back to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. In the wake of the
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Looking at some overall wind gusts, some maximum wind gusts throughout the area today. 46 degrees recorded, or 46 miles per hour, I should say, in Lawrence. Westmoreland with 45 miles per hour. Brookfield 41, Coldbrook and Herkimer in the upper 30s. A very windy day today. Winds will be calming and not be as windy heading into tomorrow. 11 New York for Battery Storm Team 2 Doppler radar. Most of this heavy rainfall is moving out of our area right now. We're expecting some more rainfall from the north heading into our area. Overall rain reports are showing that most of the rainfall has been in the north country out in the west, as down in the southern valleys are just seeing light sprinkles. 11 on a Marabito camera overlooking Oneonta. Things are looking overcast right now and an overall rainy night ahead. Around the clock and what you can expect tomorrow, we're starting out with temperatures. Temperatures start out in the 40s and continue in the 40s, starting on the 30s in the early morning. Temperatures remain very cool heading into tomorrow. Overall, cloudy day tomorrow as well, mostly cloudy as well. And weather grades, looking at rain and snow for tomorrow, starting out as snow in the north country, rain in the southern valleys will be turning into some wintry mix heading into the afternoon. A little bit of a clear spot going into later on in the evening between 5 and 6. Our Easter forecast is going to be a little bit cool and it's going to be snowy. Temperatures in the low 40s and AM snow showers. It will be drying up in the afternoon, but once again, looking at a snowy Easter. The bigger picture, we have a cold front moving into our area. It is a slow-moving cold front. It's starting to bring that rain in the north country right now. We saw some upper atmospheric precipitation in the area throughout the day today. However, most of that has not hit the ground. However, it will be hitting the ground going into later on tonight. We zoom into the closer look at our skycast for the overall rainfall heading into tonight. Heaviest rainfalls in the north country. Looking at that rain to move slowly further down as temperatures will start falling, as it'll turn into snow, looking at the majority of the north country, rain in the southern valleys, and that snow line will be moving further south. And right on tomorrow, especially in the middle afternoon, we're expecting majority rainfall. Higher elevations can possibly see some mixing in snowfall, especially in the southern valleys and north country. Majority in the Mohawk Valley are going to see rain with some possibility of mixing. That snowfall will not be turning into the area, at least until Sunday, around 10 o'clock in the morning. Looking at some widespread snowfall, just starting out in the morning, and then some flurries as temperatures will continue to rise into the lower 40s, I should say, and drier conditions throughout the day. And this is exactly where we're expecting it. Most likely snow in the north country, a rain and mix, most probable, especially in this area in higher elevations, and likely to have rainfall in the southern valleys. Tonight, a low of 37 degrees. It will be rainy. Tomorrow, looking at temperatures in the 40s with a rain and snow mix throughout the day. Our 7-day forecast, a little bit cooler than last week. Looking at some snowfall on Sunday, dry stretch ahead on Monday, some rain and snow on Tuesday, and looking at dry weather ahead on Wednesday. If you want to stay up to date with the latest information, be sure to download our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app. Be right back.